For 2022, RAV4 continues to build upon its 25-year legacy of bold looks, impressive performance, and smart packaging. And this year, it arrives with some fresh appointments and an all-new grade to round out the lineup for America's best-selling SUV. So let's take a closer look at RAV4 and learn why it continues to lead its segment. Whether for everyday travel or trailblazing adventure, the 5th-generation RAV4 is an all-around adventure seeker with impressive features across the lineup. There are now 16 takes on the RAV4 formula, 18 if you count the 2 plug-in hybrid grades of the related RAV4 Prime model. Each grade offers a different take on the RAV4 experience, so that everyone can find the vehicle that fits their lifestyle. This large grade lineup starts with 4 core grades: LE, XLE, XLE Premium, and Limited. All 4 of these grades are offered in 3 variations: gas front-wheel drive, gas all-wheel drive, and hybrid all-wheel drive. From there, both gas and hybrid RAV4 lines each have 2 unique grades. On the gas side, the Adventure and TRD off-road grades showcase RAV4's rugged capability, while the hybrid side shows off RAV4's style and performance with the sporty Hybrid XSE and the head-turning Hybrid SE, an all-new grade for 2022. Regardless of grade, every RAV4 Hybrid has impressive fuel economy ratings, fewer trips to the pump, and, of course, no need to plug in. Unless you want to enjoy the great EV-only range of the related RAV4 Prime model, that is. So, whether you're tackling a long and winding back road with XSE Hybrid or a dusty trail with the Adventure grade, this RAV4 is built to handle nearly anything in its path. RAV4 boasts a sporty appearance thanks to its low and wide dimensions, as well as a long wheelbase that helps the vehicle achieve an unmistakably athletic stance. Its exterior varies noticeably depending on the grade. For example, Cavalry Blue is now offered on Hybrid SE, Hybrid XSE, and TRD off-road grades. Updated LED projector-style headlight lamps with a new design are now standard on XLE and above. And LED fog lights are standard on XLE Premium, Adventure, TRD, and Limited, while new vertical fog lights come standard with XSE Hybrid. Meanwhile, RAV4 Limited comes standard with 19-inch Super Chrome alloy wheels, while TRD Off-Road offers its own aggressive flair through matte black alloy wheels. RAV4's exterior isn't all about looks though, which is obvious with available convenience features like the smart key system, power liftgate, roof rails, and heated outside mirrors. Inside, RAV4 strikes a perfect balance between convenience and comfort. This can be seen in a number of features, including an available dual-zone climate control system, rear seat AC vents that are now standard for 2022, a center console with spacious storage, 60/40 split folding and reclining rear seats, as well as available heated and ventilated front seats and heated outboard rear seats. For further comfort, XLE Premium, Adventure, TRD Off-Road, and Limited models feature soft-text trimmed seating. And for extra convenience, both LE and LE Hybrid offer 3 USB ports. Additionally, a power moonroof comes standard on XLE Premium, Hybrid XSE, and Limited, and is available on XLE, Adventure, and Hybrid SE grades, while XSE and Limited grades are available with a panoramic glass roof. Across all grades, other new interior appointments for 2022 include standard features like a passenger-side lockable glove compartment and LED front seat reading, dome, and cargo area lights, while XLE and above get illuminated switches, and Limited gains an 8-way power passenger seat. While RAV4's stylish approach has certainly made its way into the interior, it's the modern technology that takes center stage. RAV4 features a standard 7-inch touchscreen display to control Toyota's audio multimedia system, while RAV4 Prime XSE, TRD Off-Road, Hybrid XSE, and Limited all come standard with a 9-inch audio multimedia touchscreen, which is the largest ever for RAV4. And all RAV4 grades include standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's voice service just a question away. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. RAV4 also keeps everyone connected with its full line of available connected services, including trials for Safety Connect, Service Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Remote Connect. True to Toyota form, RAV4 is loaded with modern safety tech. Key among these is Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, an advanced bundle of active safety systems that includes a pre-collision system and lane departure alert, automatic high beams, as well as full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. RAV4 also features the STAR safety system, 8 airbags, an available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert system, available front and rear parking assist, and an available digital rear-view mirror on select models that helps drivers see more of what's behind them. Finally, RAV4 Prime, TRD Off-Road, Hybrid XSE, and all limited grades can also be equipped with a bird's-eye view with perimeter scan, which is designed to help drivers notice those hard-to-see objects. RAV4 has plenty of performance to match its high-tech features. With 3 all-wheel drive systems to choose from, RAV4 can hit the trails like never before. These systems include the base all-wheel drive found on the core gas grades, with dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive with rear driveline disconnect available on limited and standard on adventure and TRD off-road, and the electronic on-demand all-wheel drive standard on hybrid and plug-in hybrid models. A perfect showcase for what a hybrid powertrain is truly capable of. Finally, all-wheel drive equipped gas models feature Toyota's multi-terrain select system, which allows drivers to choose a preset designed to help maximize traction in snow, sand, and other challenging environments. And to that end, the TRD off-road grade includes additional terrain tackling goodies, like aggressive off-road inspired tires developed by Falcon specifically for RAV4, and a TRD stamped stainless steel front skid plate. It's easy to see why RAV4 continues to deliver more and more value each year. Its extensive lineup of different grades provides an option for every type of driver lifestyle, and any choice is more than capable of handling twists and turns along the journey. That's why XLE Premium Hybrid still feels right at home on backcountry dirt roads, and why TRD Off-Road is perfectly capable of running everyday city errands. And for something even more electrifying, the RAV4 Prime brings untold innovation to the plug-in hybrid electric SUV segment with its winning combo of performance, capability, and efficiency. Now, factor in Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, its famously strong long-term cost estimates, the Toyota Care maintenance plan with roadside assistance, as well as exceptional hybrid warranty coverage, like the 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. And RAV4's value proposition is hard to beat.